here at the beach with the kiddos. Last week it rained, so we're here to make up for last weekend because it was pouring. And today is a beautiful day outside. I'm so glad we got out. Kids are enjoying it pretty good. It's not too crowded. It's not too hot today. My only complaint is parking was $23. Like, really? $23? But you know what? I didn't care today. It didn't matter. It's all about the vibes. Good vibes today. What are you doing today? I hope you're getting out, enjoying the beautiful weather, if the weather's good where you are. It is really nice today. It's not too hot. It's not too crowded. Wow. So yeah, we're at the beach. Miley right there, and then Piper is somewhere over there in the water. DJ chilling. Dallas chilling. Oh, and we'd like to thank our sponsor of this beach day. Let me see. Our sponsor here, Chartway. I actually got a lot of good stuff with them, like this picnic cooler bag, which is really cool. And then there's an umbrella, a large umbrella right here that I got with them. Of course, it's branded logo. Girl. And this really cool chair. So I'll show you guys. This chair that I got, it comes with 2 places for you to put your drinks. But yeah, all of this stuff I got working with them, you know, and a whole bunch of other stuff that, you know, they would give us, but really cool that I found useful when coming to the beach that I didn't have to buy. All sponsored by good old Chartway. So yeah, we're where did that girl go? Oh, there's Piper down there. Like I said, we're here enjoying a beach day. And if you have a beach near you and the weather's good, I hope you're enjoying a beach day too. What? Do you want some of this? Sprite? Girl. Back from the beach. We're starving like Marvin. Ooh, I am so sweaty under this shirt.
What?
So we're at our local food truck. They have really good Caribbean food. I actually inboxed them on Instagram to see when they were going to be here, so I knew they were going to be here Saturday, because I wanted some curry goat. We're getting curry goat, jerk chicken, and stew chicken, all with rice and peas and plantains. I love plantains, however you want to say it. I'll eat it. So good. I really like this food truck. So if you're ever over, you know, in the Virginia Beach area, this food truck is called Jam Rock Food Truck. Try them out. I think their food is really good. At least it was, you know, the previous time when I tried it, it was really good. But, you know, sometimes, some days it's good, some days it's not. So we're gonna see today. Hopefully it's good. But if not, I'll let y'all know. But I would say still try it because, like I said, when I tried it before, it was really good. And the kids liked it, so, yep. After this, we're gonna go home, shower, eat, and fall out. Today was a really good beach day. If you're in the Virginia Beach area, I hope you got out today. If you didn't have to work, today was perfect. Tomorrow, you know, I don't know what's on the menu tomorrow, but yeah, we had a really good day today. This is the food truck. Yep. So check them out. Are sideways. Go across there, people. You guys might have to get out because there's, unless they're coming out in a second. So go in there and order your food. Yes.
Me too.
Yes. $20 should be enough. More than enough.
Can I get a boba with this?
You got $20. Do what you're gonna do with that. So the girls decided they didn't want food truck food. They want Chipotle and Domish, some ramen bowl. So they're gonna go in and get their own food. There's nowhere to park over there, so I'm gonna just turn around and hopefully somebody has pulled out of the parking. I find the older that I get, I prefer food that's been mildly cooked at home over restaurant food. It just does not sit well with my stomach. So I think the food truck food is gonna be best for me. I thought these people were pulling out. I guess they're not. So, yeah, they've got a few different little restaurants over here. You got Panera, Chipotle, even Cookie Crumble. And then there's the Domish ramen place that we usually come and get some ramen bowls and stuff, and boba that we really like. So the girls went in Domish and Piper's going in Chipotle. So we're just sitting out here waiting for them. Everybody's outside today soaking up the sun. Soaking up the sun. I said that I was going to, thank you. I said that I was going to go to the gym this morning, but I changed my mind. I feel like I deserve a break. Yeah, so we're just gonna wait for them till they get their food. Real quick, so this is good. And the only time I've had, I'm about to lose my food. The only time I've had better was my first husband, my ex-husband. So all y'all keeping count. Yes, I've been married twice. My first husband, his mother and family making the food from scratch. It was the first time I'd ever. It was the first time that I had ever been introduced to Caribbean food or West Indian food. They're West Indian because they're from Guyana. And they could throw down. Like, seriously, take the meat, cut it up, clean it, cook it, And they made roti from scratch, which I love. I love, love, love. It is good for soaking up all the juices and the leftovers and everything. Curry goat, curry chicken, stew beef, pepper pot. Oh, I love some pepper pot. What else? Sawfish. All of that. All of that. Delicious. The best. They made it the best because it will be fresh and made by hand from all the ladies in his family. And that's you know, where I was introduced to the food and that I love it so much. Unfortunately, I didn't learn how to make it because I didn't spend enough time in the kitchen with them. But they made it the best because it was fresh and, you know, authentic and made by their hands. So I'll give them that. They introduced me to some good food. So yeah, if you've never tried it, you should try it. You girls get what you wanted? What'd you get? What?
Just the mushroom.
Salmon and what else?
Spicy tuna.
Oh, okay. No boba?
No, it's turkey.
Oh, okay. All right, we're on our way home now.